Hi, and thank you for watching our video on using the Summary tab in DealStats, the leading source for complete company transaction data. The Summary tab allows you to view your results in a pre-formatted report that helps summarize your selected criteria as well as show you the summary information that resulted from your criteria. In this example, you can see my selected criteria as so, where the report also shows you the number of transactions that were found that meet the criteria. Moving slightly down, the Summary tab presents us with a summary table around our valuation multiples, which shows us the median, harmonic mean, and mean of each multiple. Moving further down the page, the Summary tab also shows us the mean and median of the profitability, liquidity, leverage, and activity ratios of our selected comparables. The Summary tab also gives us the option of copying the entire summary information by pressing the Copy button found in the top right corner of the tab. This allows us to easily paste the summary information in internal reports or presentations. This concludes our session on the DealStats Summary tab.